Two more students at San Diego State University have tested positive for COVID-19. This comes just a day after two other cases were announced. Fox 5's Jacqueline Sarkeesian is live from campus tonight with what we're learning and reaction. Jacqueline.
Kathleen, since yesterday, a total of 4 students have tested positive. All of these cases are not connected to one another, and the students live off campus. The university says that these students have not been on campus other than to get tested. The start of the fall semester has been an unusual one, to say the least. It's only been day 4 and students are already waking up to some surprises.
It is worrying for sure.
It was kind of concerning, but I'm glad that they were able to reach out to us and communicate that there have been cases.
Both Robin Kloss and Javier Damian are freshmen at San Diego State. For 2 days in a row, they received emails from the university confirming a total of 4 new cases. School officials say none of them are connected.
In the emails, they say that the students were off campus and only came on campus to receive testing, so I guess that offers a little bit of comfort.
They realize it's inevitable students are going to contract the virus, but they're happy the university is keeping them in the loop.
Some schools have maybe not been communicating those occurrences, and we've seen like the biggest outbreaks at some of the other schools. I'm glad they're keeping in touch with us when every new case happens.
We continue to really encourage and communicate with our community.
Libby Skiles is a director of student health at SDSU. She says collectively it's the university's mission to give students a safe place to learn. She also commends those who tested for being proactive.
Committing to doing exactly what these students did, which was coming and getting testing and seeking care when they didn't feel well, so that we can intervene quickly. We have a team that helps assess and respond to make sure that we limit the spread of COVID.
Skiles also mentioned slowing the spread is a collaborative effort, one that students need to take seriously, even if that means boycotting off-campus gatherings. Not complying is a violation.
One of my biggest fears is that we could get kicked off of campus, and I really would not like that to happen.
And since the pandemic, there has been 29 confirmed cases here at the university. That includes students, faculty, staff, and visitors that are coming here on campus. Just as a reminder, San Diego State University is doing a hybrid model this fall, so a majority of the classes are online, with only a few being in person. Reporting live from San Diego State, Jacqueline Sarkeesian, Fox 5 News.